you doing? What are you doing? How'd you get stuck in there? Were you rolling around like a crazy girl? Are you tap dancing now? All right. Look at you, busy girl. What are you doing now? What are you doing now? Avi, just a minute. Do. Do. Did you get your shoe? Did you see your hand? What are you doing? What are you doing? What a busy little girl. Oh. Yeah, you gotta sit back up. Oh. Try again. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, I hope that's not barf. Oh, that's a little bit of spit. Do you want to take the camera? Oh, spit. Oh, gross. Now it's on Mom. All right, all done.